Well, it looks like the rumors were true. Well, kind of. Sony did have a new phone to reveal here at IFA, but it wasn't the Xperia 2. No, Sony's decided to skip a few and has gone for the Xperia 5 instead. And so while the Xperia 5 sounds like it would be a huge leap from the Xperia 1, you're getting a phone that is pretty similar looking, in fact. We still have the 21:9 ratio screen, which is OLED and HDR compatible. And that 6.1-inch screen is flanked by Dolby Atmos sound to really amp up the media capabilities of this phone. And the sales pitch hasn't changed much from the Xperia 1. The Xperia 5 is aimed to be a media powerhouse. It's great at gaming, it's great at taking photos, it's really good for watching video content, preferably things like Spider-Man, which Sony owns. So what has changed then? Well, actually, you could think of this as an Xperia 1 compact. The screen is slightly smaller compared to the 6.5-inch Xperia 1, and so the phone itself just feels a lot better in the hand. It slips into your pocket better. That very wide 21:9 ratio is actually more comfortable to use. I think Sony's onto something here. But while it's smaller, this is still very much a premium device. It has a Snapdragon 855 processor. That's the best Snapdragon out there at the moment, so there's plenty of power there. Camera-wise, there's three 12-megapixel sensors, but that's only half the story. Pixel chat aside, the main marquee feature is probably eye autofocus. This is Sony's attempt to bring algorithms for focusing from its alpha range of cameras into the smartphone. And Sony says this is the world's first eye autofocus system baked into a camera phone. And this year's whimsical software feature from Sony is probably its smart connectivity. This is a combination of software tweaks aimed at keeping your phone data connection stable. The phone taps into a deep learning engine that analyzes your Wi-Fi signal and tries to back it up with your LTE phone data when you need it. The aim is to keep a reliable signal enough to stream games or Netflix and keep everything running smoothly. Unfortunately, it's not exactly the best feature to test out at a very busy, very loud conference hall. When the Xperia 5 launches, it'll come in 4 colors: black, white, blue, and red. But for now, availability details are really rather light. We have no information so far on US availability or pricing, but what we do know is that it'll be coming to the UK on October 4th, so next month, pretty soon. Stay tuned to Engadget for all the biggest tech stories coming out of IFA 2019.